Hi again. If you remember, I made this first example some time ago, but it has the problem that it only works if the sprite sheet has only one row of frames. If the sprite sheet has more than one row, the effect doesn't work anymore. So I will leave this first version for free on my Patreon. So I made this new version, and something that I really like it is that in 4x4 you can now assign colors to folders. So I highlighted the folder of my library that I will always use in all my projects. I also added a twin and an input event to control the effect with the keyboard. And as you can see, this time I choose this sprite sheet, which consists of 4 animations arranged in rows, and it works perfectly, unlike the first version. To make it work properly, you have to pass the dimensions of the sprite sheet to the shader, the width and height. And after that, there are all the options I added before. Now talking about ShaderPedia, it has some minor changes. I added a description to each example and a label with the number of examples and the current example of each model. And I added a new model with the shovel effect so you can visualize it. This is what the project uses. Now, as I mentioned it before, I use my library for all my projects to avoid repeating code or inconsistencies when duplicating my function library for each project.